Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and transformative areas in modern technology: agriculture. From drones flying overhead to AI-powered solutions, technology is revolutionizing the way we grow and produce food. In this video, we're going to explore 10 innovative ways that technology is not just changing farming but making it more efficient, sustainable, and future-proof. Whether you're a farmer, tech enthusiast, or just curious about the future of food, you won't want to miss this. Let's get started. 1. Drones for precision agriculture. Drones are being used to monitor large agricultural fields. They help with crop surveillance, taking aerial images to assess crop health, monitor growth, and even help with precision spraying of water, nutrients, or pesticides. 2. Automated tractors and machinery. Autonomous tractors and harvesters are revolutionizing farming by reducing the need for manual labor. These machines can plow fields, plant seeds, and harvest crops without human intervention, making farming more efficient. 3. AI-powered crop management. Artificial intelligence, AI, is being used to predict weather patterns, identify diseases, and optimize planting and harvesting times. AI systems can analyze data from sensors in the field to make real-time decisions that improve crop yield and reduce waste. 4. Internet of Things IoT sensors. IoT devices are placed in the field to gather data on soil moisture, temperature, humidity, and other vital environmental factors. This data helps farmers make informed decisions about irrigation, pest control, and fertilization, ensuring optimal conditions for crops. 5. Genetically modified crops, GMOs. Biotechnology is used to create genetically modified crops that are more resistant to diseases, pests, and extreme weather conditions. These crops can also be engineered to have better nutritional profiles, improving food security and health. 6. Vertical farming. Vertical farming involves growing crops in stacked layers or towers, often inside controlled indoor environments. It reduces the need for large plots of land and makes farming more efficient by using advanced lighting, climate control, and hydroponic systems. 7. Robotic harvesters. Robotic harvesting machines are being developed to pick fruits and vegetables with precision. These robots can work around the clock, ensuring faster and more efficient harvesting, reducing food waste, and increasing productivity. 8. Blockchain for traceability. Blockchain technology is improving transparency in the food supply chain by tracking every step from farm to table. This helps with food safety, reducing fraud, and ensuring that consumers can trace the origin of their food products. 9. Smart irrigation systems. Smart irrigation systems use real-time data and weather forecasts to adjust the amount of water plants receive. This not only conserves water but ensures crops get the right amount of hydration at the optimal times, leading to healthier crops and lower water usage. 10. Farm management software. Software applications and platforms help farmers manage every aspect of their farm operations. These include inventory management, financial tracking, employee scheduling, and even market trends analysis, all in one place, helping farmers improve efficiency and profitability. As you can see, technology is truly reshaping the landscape of agriculture, helping farmers tackle challenges, increase yields, and create more sustainable food systems. From robotics to smart irrigation and blockchain, these advancements are not just making farming more efficient, they're securing our food future. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech innovations. Also, drop a comment below to let us know which technology you think will have the biggest impact on agriculture in the years to come. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.